It's just after 9 a.m. on a rainy Seattle day, and here in Pioneer Square, fresh pastries are moving fast.
2 bran breads, yay! Ham and cheese, thank you so much.
This walk-up bakery window, which draws lines even in the middle of a downpour,
Cinnamon roll and croissant.
well, it's the latest creation from Emily Kim and Heather Hodge, co-founders of the Pastry Project.
First and foremost, we're mission forward. We provide a free baking and pastry training program for 20 weeks every year to individuals with barriers to employment and education in pastry. And then we help those folks find jobs at bakeries and dessert shops after they graduate.
Emily and Heather first met while working together at Molly Moon's and launched the Pastry Project back in 2019. Here they fund their education program through everything they do in their kitchen: pastry kits, classes, summertime soft serve, and now the natural next step, a bakery.
We now, are 5 years in and our neighborhood is looking amazing and it's so vibrant now and people are back at work, and so we just thought it was the right time to finally open a bakery on the weekends.
Staffed typically by a team of just 4, the menu here leans into a sense of refined nostalgia. Think classic familiar flavors with a bit of a twist.
And we knew we wanted classic croissants, but a few different versions of them. Our cinnamon rolls got really popular over the last few years, and then we thought how fun to be able to offer those fully baked and ready for people to grab and go.
Many of these recipes have been developed over the course of years. Yet despite all the R&D, it was still something of a leap of faith to launch this bakery. A leap that, to this point, has certainly proved worth it. All right, Heather, when you look out the window and you see the line here, how does that make you feel?
It definitely makes me feel both proud and optimistic. Almost every single morning I say to the entire team, I wonder if anyone's going to care about the bakery today. And so far, at about 9 o'clock, we look outside and one of the team members, she'll go, people care about the bakery today. So that is like this little fire that I hold every single day.
Of course, it helps that these pastries are, in many cases, coming straight from the oven. While Emily usually works the window during service, Heather and bakery manager Molly are in constant motion, refreshing the selection to ensure everything is warm and delicious. There is something about a fresh pastry, right?
Yes, 100%. Yeah.
Just kind of a next level thing.
Yeah, I think it's really the difference between whether it's good or whether it's excellent.
While offerings like the ham and cheese croissant and chocolate chip cookie tend to be best sellers, Heather tells me there's another favorite here that's developed something of a cult following.
So, this is our bran bread. We call it our breakfast bread. And once it's baked, we slice it up and then we finish it with this whipped turbinado citrus butter. You look at this and you're like, what the heck? That's so much butter. It's actually not. It's only a tablespoon of butter, which is like, that's like a standard serving of butter. Right. It's a pat on your waffle.
And you said this is the sleeper on the menu.
I think it's a sleeper. I think the whole team would probably agree that it's a sleeper. I think it's one of the things that we all reach for.
That is so good. It is heavenly. I love the fact that you get that beautiful kind of texture on the outside, but it is so moist right in the middle there.
Yep.
And that butter, I wish I could kind of just put it on everything.
Totally. It's a pastry that will never, it's never gonna weigh you down. You know what I mean? But it's like, it still feels really indulgent and amazing.
And perhaps the coolest part is that a visit to the Pastry Project doubles as a delicious way to give back. The popularity of its products have allowed Emily and Heather to double the number of students they can serve at a given time, and they plan to continue building on their sweet success.
And the more that we can grow and the more that people know us, the more that we can do for the community. And so we're just slowly growing that program as well, and it feels amazing.
For Seattle Refined, I'm Brandon Burnstead.